If you've had problems with self-tanners in the past, or you consider yourself self-tanner challenged, I have two products for you that I think you will love. They're very simple to use, almost foolproof, and when you're ready, they wash off with soap and water. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. And I hope that you'll come over and find me at Just Doing My Best on Facebook or Instagram and say hi, and we'll have some fun over there. So to be perfectly honest with you, these two products that I'm going to show you are not exactly self-tanners. A self-tanner generally means it's a product that you apply on your legs, your arms, wherever, and they generally progress over time. So they're not necessarily always immediate gratification. They're usually a product that will make your skin darker or appear tanner like within a half hour, 2 hours, 4 to 6 hours, whatever. Both of these products that I'm going to show you are very, very simple to use. I promise. They're waterproof. You won't hardly notice any of it on your clothing, and they wash off with soap and water. You can't hardly mess these up. I promise. Two of my very favorite products. So let me take my rings off and we'll jump right in and I'll show you how they work. The first product is, this is Tarte Shape Tape, and this is waterproof body makeup. So the name is pretty much exactly what you're gonna get. Think about when you put foundation on your face, right? You put makeup on your face, it kind of smooths everything, gives you a better complexion, it makes everything a little bit more even, it covers up some of your dark spots and imperfections, right? That's exactly what this is gonna do for your legs and arms. Now, I keep saying legs and arms because I don't use a ton of self-tanner on my face. Like I go in spurts. Like one day I'm like, oh, self-tanner on my face, and I put it on before I go to bed, and then I'll go for weeks and weeks and not do anything at all. As a general rule, I use this and the other product that I'm going to show you mostly on my legs and my arms. My arms generally, probably like yours, they see a little bit more sunshine than my legs do. But if you're like me, over 50, I don't wear a lot of shorts, and so by the time it comes time to wear a skirt or a dress, my legs are like, yikes, like they're just scary white. That's when a product like this comes in. Again, this is waterproof body makeup. So think of this like the foundation you put on your face. In the description below this video, I will link this and the other product. And when you go to get this, just like foundation that you get for your face, you want the color that you choose to be very similar to your skin tone. Same thing here. Because this is already colored, tinted, whatever you want to call it, I have very fair skin, and I choose the color light. When you go to look for this, there are like 6 or 7 different colors. You want to get a color that's very similar to the skin tone that you have already, because if I got dark, it would look like my regular makeup, and then my arms were kind of sort of tan, and then it would look like my legs, I put foundation that was meant for a woman of color, okay, would be completely wrong for me. So look for a color that's very similar to your skin tone when you're choosing this. So let's jump right in. I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'll give you a couple of tips along the way, kind of what I've learned while using it. You just put that on and rub it in. If you're going to put it on your arm, I tend to put most of it on my actual arm itself and just a little on my hands, because when I wash my hands, I don't want it to be super, super noticeable and have it all wash off, and then I've got the makeup on from here to here and nothing from here to here. So I just put a little on my hands, but can you already see the difference? So when you put this on, remember this is going to be just like foundation and what foundation does to your face. It's just covering up all the imperfections, and it's going to be your skin but better. So it's not going to look like you spent a month in the Bahamas. It's just going to be your skin but better, a little bit brighter, a little bit more even, covering up all those imperfections, and people are just going to look at your legs and go, wow, you look fantastic. Something that I love about using this body makeup is that if you've ever used self-tanner, the trouble spots seem to be the elbows, your heels, your knees, right? That self-tanner tends to really accumulate there, and then it's usually a different color than the rest of your leg or your arm, right? So since this is essentially makeup or foundation, I put the highest concentration on the parts that you really want to cover, and then I just kind of brush over the elbow, or on my feet, I just kind of brush over the heel, brush over the knee, and then I put the highest concentration on the part that people are really going to see. But if you're kind of concerned about like, oh gosh, it's not going to cover over my knees or my heels, do just like you would with self-tanner and put some lotion or something on those drier areas first. Give it a minute to soak in, and then put this on all over, and you won't get that big concentration on those drier patches like your elbows and your knees. Here's another look at this. Now I'm gonna go wash this off so I can come back and show you my next favorite product if you're self-tanner challenged. All right, I said I had two products. So the first one was something that's just gonna even out your skin tone, is just gonna make your skin, your legs, your arms just look so much better, a lot more even toned, cover up some of the imperfections. This next product that I'm gonna show you is so easy to use, just like the last one. Also waterproof, just like the last one. This one is just gonna give you a little bit of color. This is what they call a body bronzer. So the last product was liquid. This one is just a powder, and all you do is take the big brush and you just push it into the powder, and all you're gonna do is brush it on your arms, your legs, your décolleté, wherever you want, just a little bit more color. It really looks like you've been on the beach and you've just been sun-kissed, where sometimes self-tanners, depending on how they were applied, how much, how little, can be like, yikes, like, woo, one day I'm super white, the next day I'm like, wow, beachy and bronzy, but maybe I got too much on my elbows, maybe I got too much on my heels, maybe I got too much on my knees. This, all you're gonna do is brush it on wherever you want it. Gives you that little bit of sun-kissed look. Now, I wanna say this though, I love the way this goes on. Again, it's waterproof. Again, you're watching me do it. It's super easy to use. Now, keep in mind, you know how when you put makeup on, whether it's blush or bronzer on your face, eyeshadow, whatever it is, normally the first place that you put the brush down tends to have the highest concentration of the color. Same can be said for this. So if you're looking at this and you're going, oh, yikes, I can see right where I put that brush down. There seems to be a big splotch there. All you're gonna do is just rub it in and just even it out a little bit. But I love this color so much. It just looks like you're beautifully just kissed by the sun. It's such a beautiful color. I love this one so, so much. And one of my favorite things about this is, you know how sometimes you're wearing pants, shorts, a skirt, a dress, whatever, and most of what's sticking out that people can see that's white is just like the top of your foot? Dip that in there and just do the top of your foot. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. and it just looks so pretty and so sun-kissed. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I just can't get enough of it. I'm going to link both of these products in the description of this video, and I think you're going to love them if self-tanners have just been just like a pain in the behind for you in the past. And by the way, don't worry about it rubbing off on your clothes. I don't think it's going to be a problem for you. The only time I ever see anything really on my clothes is when I wear something like white jeans, and it's generally on the inside seams. You know what I mean? Like when I go to take off my jeans at the end of the day. So I'm not seeing it rub off on all my clothes or anything like that. Besides, you're really only putting that like on the parts of your body that people can see. So like I said, like on the tops of your feet if you're just wearing pants. If you're wearing a skirt, you're pretty much going to put it on from like mid-thigh down where people can see. So it's not going to be a big issue. If you go to try these, please come back and let me know. I would love to know how they worked out for you. For now, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Be sure to find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you next time right back here. So go out today and be blessed and do your best.